having to kneel down on the floor just to kick this video off. And we're on week 38. Week 38 of the year. And I want to talk about how you can make your beard look and feel a bit thicker, fuller, and just all round better. Let's talk about that. Whoa! Growing a beard and making it look full, thick, healthy and all that good stuff isn't that difficult. So many of you are just being impatient. You're not doing the basics right and you're just trimming way too much of your beard. I see way too many people say, oh, how do you get such a thick beard? How do you get such a thick mustache? Well, it's easy. You just let it grow. You just let it do its thing. You let it grow over time. You don't trim it. You don't take all the weight out of the beard, and it's just easy, guys. You just need to get the basics right. I'm just gonna wash up and we're gonna carry on this conversation. I do know how to be a very manly man. So guys, like, shit, I haven't got a sponge. But let's just talk about making a thicker beard. So you're making a thicker beard? Like, you're not making a thicker beard, you're making your beard look thicker, fuller, just all round better. And it all starts off in the neck beard. The neck beard is the most essential part of the beard. So many people trim way too much off the neck, and it kind of sucks because realistically that's where you get that shape. So first off, just don't bother trimming the neck beard. I'd also say that you want to use a product in your beard, not beard oil. Beard oils don't really give your beard that fullness, that real sort of matte finish that you really need. You're only ever going to get that from some beard balms and some beard butters. I won't say you'll get it from all beard balms and all beard butters. Some are way too shiny and oily and they just won't do it. But I found a few products that can do the job, and one recent product range that I found is Balbo Beard Co. Like, Balbo Beard Co. give your beard so much fullness, as well as being a really good product to hydrate, condition, and just make the beard feel awesome. Like, I've been really impressed. But on top of Balbo Beard Co. Barehead Grooming, been really impressed with their hold of their beard balm. It leaves a very nice matte finish, which I think is what we're after here. So I would highly recommend Barehead Grooming. I'll leave a link below there. That will give your beard a serious hold, but it's really easy to apply. One I would say I'm most impressed with so far is Fine Fettle. So Stuart Morse owns this company. I've chatted to Stuart for over a year or so now. He's an awesome guy, and the products are truly unique. And it's a beard conditioner made out of lanolin. So that's a serum that comes out of sheep glands. So it's great for your skin, like it's unreal actually for your skin. It's made my skin incredibly moisturized and I get really dry skin on my face. But the product itself just instantly gives so much fullness to the beard. It gives it a good hold, but it just seems to like puff the beard out a lot more, but it makes it look neat and tidy at the same time. It just adds so much more depth. Once you really work it into the skin, work it into the base of each of your beard hairs, you just can't go wrong with it. Alright, that's enough washing up now, because you know, washing up just absolutely sucks. We have a dishwasher, but we can't wash everything up in the dishwasher. You still have to do the old manual work as well. I kind of feel like this video is just about washing up, guys. Like, I'm sorry about that. All right, I'm just gonna sit down here. Let's just bring this down to my level. I'm selling this house at the moment. It's up on the market, so we're having to keep it very clean and very tidy. It's just interrupting my videos over the last sort of 4 or 5 weeks because we've been getting everything ready. We're going on a bit of a tangent. I kind of just wanted to talk about one last thing about making your beard thicker, fuller, and just a bit better. It's all about the blow drying. So I see so many of you at the moment talking about these heated beard brushes. Not for me. Like, I don't see the point in just making your beard like really straight, because like if you straighten your beard or even your head hair, it thins it out. So it might make it look like straight and thin and really just kind of, I think artificial would be a good word. Like, I think artificial is a good word for it, because to me it's not a real perspective of what your beard it looks like. But if you blow dry it, and I always start off by blow drying a little bit under the beard, so I get the, you know, get a bit of volume, and that just kind of brings the beard out like this. And then I can like kind of tidy it, get it straight down. I can use a roller brush, I can use my wooden comb, I can use my mustache comb, get a bit of work on the mustache, really, you know, style the beard, get that fullness. Apply one of those products, like I say, just brings the beard out in all its glory. And I think if you're doing those sort of things, if you follow these tips, your beard will look a lot fuller, thicker, maybe a bit healthier. I made a video on like some things you can do to help your beard grow naturally, such as drink water, exercise, those sort of things. If you're doing those, your beard is going to just grow a lot better overall. So just start taking care of your beard, start taking care of your body, and try these things out. Let me know if they worked in the comments below, and also let me know what you do to make your beard feel and look a bit thicker and fuller. Anyway guys, it's been my pleasure once again. I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.